Hello and welcome to another TeckWrapCraft video. For today's project, we'll be making this line flower glass using TeckWrap's Opal vinyl. TeckWrapCraft has a lot of opal vinyls, and here you can see some of the color options that are available on the website. So for this project, I'll be using this Orchid purple opal vinyl. This is a waterproof adhesive vinyl and extremely durable, which makes it perfect for a cup decal. And it also has this beautiful chrome finish that will make any craft project look stunning. I'll also be using these TeckWrap accessories for weeding and burnishing. This beer can glass that I'm using is also available on the TeckWrap website. So first, I'll measure the cup to make sure my design will fit perfectly. Then I'll launch my design space, and here you can see that I'm using this line flower design available on Etsy. This design is pre-sized and was made for this kind of glass, which you can see on the measurement that it has the same size as my glass can. So since this design is ready to go, I'll prepare it for cutting. My setting for cutting this design on my Cricut machine is Final Plus. Now on my actual cutting mat, I'm preparing the opal vinyl. And I'm removing the protective layer and load it to the machine. My design is now ready, so I'll be removing the excess vinyl. Since this design is long, you can cut the vinyl you have already peeled so that it won't stick to any surface and the workflow will get easier as you go. Now I'm using my TeckWrap weeding pen and tweezers to weed out unwanted vinyl pieces. Now my design is completely done, I'll place a transfer tape on top and burnish it using my TeckWrap squeegee. When working on intricate designs, I usually use my squeegee to press the backing of the transfer tape as I peel it off from the design. This is to make sure that all vinyls will stick out. I also cut the backing paper when it gets long enough because I find it easier to peel off the backing when it's shorter. Now it's time to prep my glass by wiping the surface to make sure it's clean. Then, carefully I'm placing my design onto my glass while slowly rotating it. I find it easier to apply a vinyl wrap when I cut multiple slits at the top and lower part of the transfer tape. Here in the end part of the glass where the design will meet, I'm using the squeegee again to burnish the vinyl already applied, and I slowly remove the transfer tape so that I can wrap the other end part. Burnish again and remove the transfer tape afterwards. Now my flower glass can is complete. I hope you enjoyed this video and hope to see you on the next one. Bye!